Trump has won the election. So question is for us traders, what should we do? Trump has won the election. So question for us traders is what should we do about that? And actually these are pretty good news because well, Trump means one thing. In one way or another, he will bring action and that action will translate in market movements. And that's all there is to need. True to be told, we don't care about United States inner politics and their own, I don't know, problems because we need trends and Trump will bring us these trends. And for that, let's look at the three markets which probably is most interesting regarding Trump's election. And let's start with the Bitcoin. Now, let's open the Bitcoin charts and here's one thing. Trump actually promised America will be crypto capital, and that translated wonderfully when Trump got reelected because, well, as you see here, let's open this chart. As you see, Bitcoin actually increased from 70,000, approximately 70,000 to 82,000 in 1 week. That was simple aftermath of election. And truth to be told, I was rather surprised about this thing because, well, markets were already high, and actually it was no secret that Trump was favorite to win in these elections, at least in crypto circles and in markets. Most of the traders were certain that Trump has some edge. So for me also, I wasn't surprised when he won. What was surprised for me that this reaction was that strong. Yes, I thought that will there will be some initial rise, but not at these levels. But you never know. But nevertheless, prices are going higher. Prices have hit previous all-time high levels, and at least for short term, it's bullish indication because well prices are upwards and you don't want to bet against rising prices in any market. What will happen next in next 4 years? Don't have a clue because Bitcoin is market which could grow from now from current 80,000 to like $150,000 and then just to collapse it to 15,000 as it did before because yes, this is nothing new. We have these kinds of markets events before and actually if you see all the markets are now at the all-time heights, at least stock market and gold is. But as you see with Bitcoin, yes, it has all-time high now, but in next 4 years, well, as you see, it was at 70,000 at November 2021, and it went from 70,000 to 15,000. So in next 4 years, anything might happen, anything between $200,000 and $10,000 because that's just crypto markets. So all forecasts here are off, but luckily for us, all these moves will mean that there will be lots of trends for us to trade. And that's the most important thing. We don't care about higher or lower prices, what we care about movement, and they will be there. Next one is stock market. Well, with stock market, it's also interesting because yes, as I told you previously, markets kind of betted on the fact that Trump will win, but still, it reached all new time height and it's pretty strong moves. So it's I would say stronger, slightly stronger now than I initially anticipated it. Because here's the funny thing: in 2016, then actually markets fall because Trump was a surprise, and then those next 4 years were one of the best years for stock market ever. Will Trump be able to replicate that? I don't know, but in short term, I would say we are bullish as well. In the longer term, stock market is always bullish at long term, but here I would say we have more bumpy road ahead of us because previous 2 years we had yes those 20+% returns, but it won't happen for next 4 years in a row. For so here also, volatility is the answer. We might have phenomenal heights and then we might have huge instabilities which will give us opportunity to short market as well. So that's cool here. Third market actually is oil market. And here's the interesting thing. Trump promised to hold oil prices to $40. Now it stands at nearly $70. But he won't be able to do that because oil markets moves outside of America. So if even America improves it's oil production. That means OPEC and Russia will going to decrease oil production to keep balance in check, and a lot might depend on Chinese economy as well and their thirst for oil. So here, oil might go to lower levels because it has been going to 30 and even negative in COVID. So everything is possible, but this will be outside of reach of Trump. So in this case, I wouldn't bet on oil regarding Trump's re-election. But Trump will certainly bring us volatility in stock market and of course crypto markets. So if you want to trade, short term moves probably are still upwards, and long term, all forecasts are off, but we will see and hear what will be the, I would say, hottest market trends, and they will give us money making opportunities, not forecasts, but our ability to read those trends and make short or long terms correctly. And this is what we're going to do. So if you want to do that, join my trading program and copy trades from my best traders. That's how we'll make money in the next 4 years. So thanks for this video and stay tuned.